Alright guys, I'm going to show you the progress we made on the tank here. You can see it's leaked a little bit on the ground, mainly leaking from this here. Looks like there's a little bit of surface rust on the outside. I'm just going to open it up. Take a look in there. You clean this up pretty good. This was pretty nasty before, and I'm going to strain it. It looks pretty good in there. Let's see what it looks like when we strain it. Oh yeah, all kinds of stuff coming out. Bubbly. Looks pretty good. You hear all that? And there's still a lot of pieces left in there. Alright, I'm going to go shake this in the yard. Can you see it? It's better. You can see that piece of rust there too, waiting to come out. Let me go shake this in the yard and I'll be right back. Let me show you all this that came out. Can you see it? It's still got some more in it. It filters some right off the top. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that strainer off. I'm going to strain it, pour it back in the tank, give it another 24 hours or something like that, and start from there. But it looks like the cooking vinegar technique is really removing a lot of this rust out. So give me just a few minutes here and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so here's my pump. It's better. The fuel filter was all disintegrated. I'm going to replace the pump, but I'm trying to clean this up, get all that rust out of there so I can reuse the sending unit, because all that'll work. So right now I've got all the gas drained, and I'm going to use the shop vac and suck out the rest of the crap in there. So let me get that started. It looks pretty good down in there. There's a little bit of rust left, but not bad. See how much better it is? That's almost usable. It just needs a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to refill it and do it again. It's hard to keep this little piece for leaking. I don't have a boot or nothing to put over it. But anyway, I've only got maybe $10 in supplies in this thing, so I figured I'd keep going. And you can see, caught most of it. You can see all that there. Alright, I've strained it and re-poured it back in. Now I'm going to rinse my bucket out. Now I'm going to let it sit another day. I think another day, maybe 2 tops. All the rest will be out of that tank. As always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one. See ya.